So we got the instructions here. They're pretty simple, right? That's the order of which we remove. So it's saying we need to take the actual rod and piston such out. So that's what we're going to try to do today in this beautiful video here. Thankfully, oh God. Why does that not want to break? Oh God. I actually just got this beautiful piece the other day because I needed it for the ST. Who would have thought I would need it for this car too? Maybe we'll have to get the breaker bar. That's unfortunate. Okay, let's go ahead. Hope that this works. You know what? Let's use the broken end up here, so we don't have to put our hand on the broken end there. And it's nice because we get a whole yeet on it. Beautiful. All you need is a little leverage sometimes. One. Boo. Two. Bada boom, bada bing. I don't see how taking this out would help any with pressure, etc. But hey, you know, just had to do it. God damn, that smells horrible. Oh my God. There we go. Oh. I feel bad that that's just like popping around in there. Probably not good. Bruh. We have a little rod knock, just a little bit. Just a slight amount. See, I don't want to bring them to the top, because if I can get them as close to the bottom as I can, they'll just pop out, you know? Whereas the other one is kind of just, they smell rough. Like, when I mean rough, like, they fucking, holy shit, these are stank. Effectively getting them out is my idea, though, is if we can break these while they're down there, break this one while it's up here, and then twist it, maybe, just maybe, we can get them all to pop. Hopefully not come all the way out, but we got one. We got number one. Now, number two probably gonna come out over here, the fucked up one. No. Yeah. Thank you. Ow, fuck, that hurt. That ripped my glove like a motherfucker. Give me the top. Give me the top. That's no good. That's no good. We're not gonna be able to move the engine. I need to go get some shit. Give me a minute. I'll be back in a bit. Wow, this is the best. Oh my god. This is the best invention ever. This, I don't know. Oh god, well, that's RIP. Not good for it. This weighs a bit. It's not a very lightweight item. Like, ballin', dude. And then we do have another screw that we dropped to grab out of here. That goes over here. Perfect. Perfect. That goes over here. Perfect. Perfect. Alright, now which ones are about to pop out? I think these two. Maybe not. Well, shitting the rings off, that's for sure. Good thing we'll buy new ones. And these ones don't need to be reused. Honestly, I don't know if we're using this engine at all anyway. To be real, it really just depends. That came out of 3. Now I need it to pop out. Skirt. Did that one pop out? Or did that one's still attached? Okay, well, it's out now. Okay. I think if we go like that, we take this with this. Bada boom, bada bing. Wow. Oh wow, that's where the plastic is. These are, I don't think they're supposed to slide like that, man. I don't know. I don't know shit about shit, so don't let me talk like I know shit about shit. I know how to take shit apart, put it back together, rebuild it. That's about it. Still trying to learn the other aspects as I go. Come on, dude. So close. Skirt, skirt. Up. Get that out of the way. And then we need to get this back over here. I don't think this is going to help at all with us getting... Oh, well, that just poked through anyway. That was useless. You know, this one's fucked, so what's the difference? Guess we could have saved the fucking crankshaft and the cylinder wall a little bit. Probably shouldn't have used this, but hey, it is what it is, man. I mean, the rods aren't bent. At least they don't look bent, but I wouldn't reuse these. This is a stock engine. But I was gonna say, this is stock, and it's got a lot of miles on it. Is that hole supposed to be there? I don't think that's supposed to be there. Oh, okay, they all have a hole like that. Maybe that is supposed to be there. Okay, I was concerned for a second. I was like, what's up with this hole on it? But that is there on all of them. Okay, so that's out. There's hella oil still in here. Hopefully it don't start just leaking all over the place. Dude, I literally can't determine what could still be causing this to be on there like that, dude. I'll be back in a minute. Alright. Basically, I don't really know what we need to do here. There shouldn't be anything else holding this on, so we're just gonna go around. We're gonna give her a tappa. With this old motherfrickin' mallet and hope that we can loosen it. I don't see this being a problem by hitting it like this, but hey, never really know. I don't know anything. So if this is bad, let me know. Again, I don't really know if we're going to use this engine. I'd like to just get the 2.5. But at the same time, I don't really know how we're going to go about it. Alright. I don't think that did diddly dick. The problem is this has not been cracked in so long, dude. There's nothing here on this little spinner that's gonna cause issues, I don't believe. No, that spins freely. The whole thing spins freely. You just don't want to come out. God damn it. Oh, dude, I shouldn't do that. My phone's in my pocket. It probably wants to just come directly straight up. It don't want to go. The fact that I can, like, just lift this whole fucking thing is obnoxious. Lift the whole fucking engine. And I really want to get this off. Oh! I got it off. Let's go. We're running out of space.
Isn't it?
No, this was the one that was knocking. This one had
that's the main bearing.
This one literally had, or this one.
It's also main bearing. Yeah,
this
there
one.
we go.
This one had nothing on it, Eric. It literally had, there was no.
Oh no.
Is
yeah,
it?
No, it's bad. Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, right there. They might be able to polish it though. You should ask if you can feel it with your fingernail. It's too much. Hold on. Oh, I can feel it with my fingernail.
I mean, I can, dude, feel right here.
Oh.
Yeah. So how do I get this?
No, I would say the crank's probably bad.
You think so?
I wouldn't run it. I mean, you might be able to polish it and get away with it, but you'll have to run an oversized bearing if you do anything, removing material on that side. Usually, once
oh, fuck,
the
that's
thing
heavy,
is why
dog.
they don't use them is because it's never like a perfectly polished surface after that gets like gummed up like that, you know.
Oh,
but,
yeah, you can see.
Yeah,
look at that. Look at that line.
Yeah, they might not be able to.
I don't think you can fix that one time out.
You're not supposed to. But this one feels a little fucking
Stuck.
yeah. That's not good. It's probably got heated up, or it was starting to throw, which is probably true. It was probably starting to
Look
throw.
at the lines on
They
that.
should just pull right off.
Yeah, that looks bad. Like there's visibly lines in
Yeah,
it.
no.
I don't think that's good.
But you know,
Those
you
have
can-
little
How much is a
lines?
crankshaft for one of
The
those?
crank was literally $1,300.
Oh,
So I think
just
that
for this one?
yeah, I think that says that we're gonna end up with a 2.5. I think that's the conclusion at the end of this video here is that we're gonna end up with a 2.5 because
Pick or a screwdriver or something, like something that I can.
they're in the second
Oh yeah.
or third drawer. Third drawer is the screwdriver drawer.
Hang on, it's catching on. Oh, there's a bolt right here. That's why.
What?
There's a bolt right here.
Where?
Right here.
What?
It was like getting caught on the balancer.
Oh.
Here's just a random bolt right here.
I see. I think that's a cover bolt.
It is.
Yeah.
Come on. Come to Poppy.
Because I was trying to lift it too, and I was like, bro, what the fuck is happening? Okay, that's a lot fucking easier than I thought it. Wait here, I got you. Watch out for my. Here, no. Grab my cord, bro. Decord me. Oh no, this is heavy.
Yeah.
I don't know where to put this. Can you
Just lift it over to me.
move that shit out of the way?
Yeah.
Just scoot that all down.
What's this light board thing you got going on?
It's a LED light. Don't put anything on it, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here we go. Watch out.
Sir.
It's a me, Gripper Boy.
Oh yeah, dude.
Oh, that's so disgusting. Oh
Yeah,
my
that's
god.
fucked. It was starting to throw out.
But I mean, I did drive it literally fucking like 5 miles after that one through.
Yeah. Yeah, that was starting. That's why they were stuck on there. It was starting to get a little nasty, but it was like shut off just.
To be fair, too, I did start it a second time to load it onto the trailer.
It
Like
looks
this,
pretty decent.
but this is the one that we were saying was concerning looking.
Yeah, no, that one's yeah. You need to see if they can either fix that or if the crank's done. They might say the crank's done.
Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that.
Oh, dude, it's done.
Yeah.
Look at that big gouge right
Yeah,
there in
that's
the crank. It's done.
fucked.
Yeah, that's bad news bears right there.
It's a me, Mario.
It's a me. It's fucked.